Sunday Igboho jagun létán ó tún náwó gan títà à ń bèlè gan ogun ilé ọ̀hún ò tí ì parí èwo ní ti já gbogbo ìgbà láì sógèdè gbé agbógungbòrò ọkùnrin ogun èwo ní fìsàn ìjà lọ́tún ìjà lósì wàhálà bàbá dá mi pọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀gàn ni látẹnu aláìníkànṣe rẹ̀ nítorí pé Sunday Igboho ó plead support fún àwọn Biafra lórí declaration tó fẹ́ ṣe. Mo fẹ́ play fídíò kan fún yín. Ẹni tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ nínú fídíò yìí ó ń sun ẹkún débi wípé ẹni tó ń wò gan tó ń tẹ́tí sí òun gan ń gbẹkún sùn. Ọmọ Yorùbá kí ló dé? ọ̀rọ̀ là ń rí lójoojúmọ́ kò sí action. Ìgbà tá a bẹ̀rẹ̀ làwọn Biafra náà bẹ̀rẹ̀ o wọ́n ti declare. Àtowó àtọrọ̀ àtẹ̀mí àtògùn ni gbogbo wọn ná sí o. Mẹ́wàá ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ nílùú Finland àmọ́ igba máa ṣẹlẹ̀ tó bá di 2nd of December. Màá play fídíò kan fún yín sìn kẹ́ ẹ lè mọ̀ pé kì í sọ̀rọ̀ eré ó lágbára ó kọjá bá ṣe ń sọ. Kí ló dé ọmọ Yorùbá tí ìjáwọ́ ń bi ká máa sọ̀rọ̀ ànádìbá mi ìkójúmọ́ ó tó mọ́. Lísàbí agbòǹgbò àkàlà jagunjagun ni. Ògèdèǹgbé agbógungbòrò jagunjagun ni. Ààrẹ ọ̀nà kakanfò jagunjagun ni. Ṣọ̀ún Ògúnlọ́lá jagunjagun ni. Àrágbérí jagunjagun ni. Jogun omi jogun osinmi jagunjagun ni. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá kí ló dé ẹ kórìíra Sunday Igboho púpọ̀ jù? Àbówó ló tún fẹ́ gbà lọ́dọ̀ àwọn Biafra. Ibi táṣìírí ó ti tú sí ẹ lọ́wọ́ nìyẹn pé kò ń ṣe owó yín ló ń lé kò ń ṣe ipò kò kí ń sorúkọ àti kékeré tí wọ́n ti bí sílé ayé ló ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ogun jíjà. Níta sì rí kàánú tán lẹ́nu wọn bá ibi tá a yí lára ẹ̀ tá a sì gbọ́ wọ́n ní kò jàjà ẹ̀bí rí àmọ́ ó kọ àyànjẹ ó kọ ká gbẹ́sẹ̀ lé nǹkan oní nǹkan ó sì kọ̀ jálẹ̀ pátápátá tó bá rẹ́nìkan tó ń fara ní ẹnìkejì. Ṣé ẹ ti ṣetán láti wo fídíò yìí? Mo fi Ọlọ́run ọba bẹ̀yín ẹ bá mi subscribe. Tétò yìí bá ní mínì sí yín tẹ́ ẹ fẹ́ máa rí mi wò lóòrèkóòrè ẹ subscribe ẹ comment ẹ like ẹ share ẹ jọ kárí ilé kó kárí oko. Yorùbá nation fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ láìpẹ́. Ẹ̀yin tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Finland lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́.
On behalf of His Excellency, the Peace Ambassador, our Prime Minister, Simon Njaku, I, Dr. Ngazara Breze, the Chief of Staff of the Biafra Republic Government in Exile, soon to be the United States of Biafra, and the de facto government at home, by the powers conferred on me by His Excellency, the Prime Minister, I'm going to go ahead and read his speech. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to welcome everyone to this beautiful venue in Lahti. Thank you to the people and the government of Finland. My name is Dr. Ngozi Orobweze. Our presence here today, sorry, let me see. Oh, I'm sorry. All right. I stand here on this memorable event in Lahti to welcome Biafrans and dignitaries from all over the world that are here present in Finland. Last year, we gathered in Helsinki to chart a new course for our people and fight for our freedom This year, we are gathering again to review our progress and make definite statements about our freedom. The challenges we face are still enormous, but one thing is clear. Because our angels, Biafra Defense Forces and resistance fighters, have discharged their duties with utmost professionalism, the oppressors have realized they can't kill their way out of our quest for freedom. Their ploy to deceive the people with fake restructuring and state creation will not work. You all remember, we've been asking for restructuring for ages and Nigeria have refused. Now that our PM has risen up, they now want regional government. Not for us anymore. None of these ploys will bring back the thousands of Biafrans the Nigeria state have killed just for carrying flags or on mere suspicion of being an indigenous people of Biafra membership. Just for being an IPOB, just for being a Biafran, Nigeria murders our people in the thousands. Many families have been rendered childless, motherless, and or fatherless by the Nigeria state. Many people have had their homes and businesses burnt or destroyed by Nigeria state. Many more people have died as a result of secondary effects of the pain and suffering we have had to endure in the hands of the Nigerian state. My fellow Biafrans, as I look back over 3 years since the abduction and extraordinary rendition of our leader,
subscribe,
and the severe suffering this act brought onto our people, I am saddened by the extreme cruelty the Nigerian state has unleashed on our people. We have endured a lot and stand to endure even more, underscoring our resolve to attain our inalienable God-given right to existence, freedom, pursuit of happiness and livelihood. Biafrans are begging to leave. We are begging to leave. Not anymore. Not anymore. The Nigerian state has been anything but an impediment to all these ideals. Hence our resolve to exit the enclave that has never been more urgent than now. I salute the courage of Biafrans in the homeland who have borne the brunt of Nigeria's state-sponsored cruelty, particularly those that have paid the ultimate price and their families. To the Biafrans in diaspora, I cannot thank you enough for standing up for your compatriots and being a source of hope for the defenseless people in the homeland who are victims in many respects, including loss of our collective wealth to a select privileged few who then turn around and denigrate the people as miscreants. This sorry state of the enclave is the primary inspiration for MK's fight for the freedom for our people, on realization that a fix within the current enclave and its institutions is impossible. In this regard, we initiated a self-referendum voting for our people to decide whether or not they support Biafra independence from Nigeria. This voting process started on February 1st, 2024, and ran through November 28, 2024. The voting just ended, the referendum.